Think of the universe as a trusted friend, always ready to listen and respond to your innermost hopes and dreams. This is not just about asking for what you want, but also about aligning your energy and thoughts with those desires, effectively communicating with the universe. Perhaps you're wondering how to begin. The answer is simple. Start by believing. Believe in the power of the universe, believe in the process of manifestation, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Your belief is the seed from which the tree of your desires will grow. But like any tree, it needs nurturing. Feed it with positive thoughts, water it with clear intentions, and shower it with love. There may be times when the tree doesn't seem to grow, when you can't see any visible changes. But remember, much of a tree's growth happens beneath the surface, in its roots. Similarly, even if you can't see it, your desires are taking shape in the unseen realms of the universe. Often, on this journey, you might face challenges that could shake your faith or cause doubt. It could be external voices trying to dissuade you, or internal fears questioning your worthiness. But remember, these are merely clouds passing by. They can't dim the light of your inner sun. Acknowledge them, let them pass, and refocus on your unwavering belief. It's also crucial to debunk some common misconceptions about manifestation. It's not a magical quick fix, nor does it demand constant positivity. It's a journey of self-growth, patience, persistence, and genuine emotional engagement with your desires. It's okay to have off days. What matters is that you pick yourself up, dust off the doubts, and continue on your path. We all face internal and external challenges when it comes to manifestation. Doubt, skepticism, societal pressure. These can all hinder your progress. But don't worry, I am here to help you overcome these obstacles. Internal challenges are often the trickiest to navigate. They can be deeply ingrained and subconscious, making them difficult to identify and address. Here are some common internal challenges you might face. 1. Doubt. This is perhaps the biggest internal obstacle when it comes to manifestation. Doubt can creep in and make you question whether your desires will ever become reality. Overcome this by continuously affirming your belief in the universe and its power. Remember, the universe responds to certainty, not doubt. 2. Skepticism. It's natural to be skeptical, especially when you're new to the concept of manifestation. However, skepticism can block the flow of positive energy that is essential for manifestation. To overcome this, educate yourself about the science behind manifestation and the law of attraction. Real-life success stories can also help reinforce your belief. 3. Fear of failure. Many of us are held back by the fear of not achieving our desires. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Even perceived failures are stepping stones toward success. Embrace every experience as part of your growth. External challenges are factors outside your control that may affect your manifestation journey. Here are some common ones. 1. Societal pressure. Society often imposes its own expectations and standards, which can cloud your personal desires. Stay true to yourself and your dreams. Don't let societal norms dictate what you should or shouldn't desire. 2. Negative influences. Negative people or environments can drain your positive energy, which is crucial for effective manifestation. Surround yourself with positivity and people who support and believe in your journey. My friend, picture yourself as you're beginning your day. As you wake up, instead of reaching for your phone or thinking about your to-do list, you take a few moments for yourself. You visualize your dreams as if they're already here, living in that joy and excitement. This is the power of daily visualization. It aligns your energy with the universe and sets the tone for your day. Now, as you go about your day, remember to keep a positive mindset. Picture your thoughts as seeds you're planting in the universe's garden. Positive thoughts will grow into positive outcomes. So nourish your mind with positivity and trust the universe to do the rest. One thing successful manifestors understand is the importance of clarity. When you're specific about your desires, it's like giving the universe a roadmap to what you want. So dream big, but also dream detailed. Paint a clear picture of your desires and let the universe get to work. Lastly, and most importantly, practice gratitude. Gratitude is the key that unlocks abundance. It tells the universe, I am ready for more. Start by appreciating what you already have and you'll find more things coming your way to be grateful for. Imagine the universe as a vast, boundless ocean, and your desires are vessels sailing on its waves. The law of attraction is like the wind that guides these vessels. It's an age-old principle that states like attracts like, or in other words, your thoughts and feelings attract corresponding experiences. By understanding this law, you can become the captain of your vessel, guiding it towards your desired destination. Now, positive thinking is the compass that ensures your vessel sails in the right direction. It's not about ignoring life's troubles. Instead, it's choosing to believe that good things will happen, even in the face of adversity. This positivity creates a ripple effect in the universe, attracting positive outcomes back to you. Clarity and consistency, on the other hand, are like the map and the steady hand that keeps the vessel on course. Being clear about what you desire and consistently focusing on it helps the universe understand what you want. It's like giving precise instructions to the universe to bring your desires to reality. Manifestation is an ongoing process, and it's important to maintain momentum and overcome any obstacles that may arise. Imagine you're on a ship, sailing towards the island of your dreams. The sea is vast and unpredictable, but you're not daunted. You know that storms may come, but they also pass. You're prepared with an unwavering resolve and a toolkit of strategies to navigate through any challenges you encounter. Maintaining momentum in your manifestation journey is akin to keeping your ship moving forward. It's about the constant renewal of your commitment to your dreams. Just like the daily rising of the sun, let every new day be a fresh start to reinvigorate your dedication to your goals. When obstacles arise, view them not as deterrents, but as opportunities for growth. They are the winds that test your sail, the waves that strengthen your skills. Each challenge you overcome brings you closer to your dreams, developing your resilience and fortitude along the way. Remember to keep your focus on your destination, the vision of your dreams realized. This vision is your compass, guiding you through the sea of life. When doubts or fears creep in, recalibrate your mind to this vision. Remind yourself why you embarked on this journey and what achieving your dreams would mean to you. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself on this journey. Just as a ship needs regular maintenance, your body and mind also need care and nourishment. Make time for rest and rejuvenation. Practice self-love and self-care. These acts of kindness towards yourself will fuel your journey and keep your spirit high. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're still here, please share your thoughts in the comment section. And remember, the universe is listening. With patience and practice, you can manifest all you desire. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep manifesting.